When we said that we are going to fix a visit to this where the basin is being diverted or the disputed site, so-called disputed site, nobody came. See, giving long bhashans in the assembly, giving tall promises, or bringing out the issue, or talking to the media is not the solution. What is your contribution? How many people came over there? Besides the 7 MLAs, including the then WRD minister did not come. So what are they talking about? Whoever is giving media big comments and tall speeches on Madai, they are only trying to bring their headlines on the newspaper. If they are really interested, they would have done a lot of things for Goa, and especially for Madai when they were in power. Nobody has done. So we are in power today. We have to see that Madai is protected, and do not make accusations.
Goa government has gone on appeal on the tribunal's order in the Supreme Court. The matter is sub judice. In spite of that, the environment minister has given environment clearance.
Maybe they did not know about it. So we will need be go back to Supreme Court and bring a stay on that environmental clearance. See, I'll tell you, environmental clearance was given for Mopa Airport in Goa. When certain section of the NGO went to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court saw that some aspects were not taken in care, or whatever was the reason, Supreme Court pointed out that, and they brought a stay. So, bringing a stay is not this. We have to just study and understand where, on what ground the EC is given for, like for what reason. EC is given for what reason? And if it is given for diversion of water, we will protest. We will speak first to the Minister for Environment. Need be Prime Minister, need be our President of the party, BJP party, Amit Shah. There are always options open to go to Supreme Court and get a stay.